My name is Nikol Damato, and I am a senior dual major in History and Liberal Arts with a certificate in Sustainability. So I spent my first year at Slippery Rock having no idea what I wanted to do with my life until I became involved with the Office for Community Engaged Learning. Through working in community engagement, I developed these values of how to form reciprocal, mutually beneficial partnerships with community, and that helped me realize my own values and eventually my goal to become an environmental attorney. The Food Justice Workshop series consists of a variety of different speakers and events and hands-on workshops for students to learn about issues in food access and food justice in the local community. In January 2019, I traveled to San Juan, Puerto Rico as a participant for one of the Office for Community Engaged Learning's service learning programs. So while we were there, we did a project called the Civic Imagination Project, where the student participants worked with one another and with the local community in order to decide how to allocate some financial resources toward an initiative in the community. I am an SRU success story because through the Global Service Leadership programs and the Food Justice Workshop series at the McCoskey Center, I've created something that will continue to be here after I graduate from Slippery Rock. My name is Nikol Damato, and I'm an SRU success story.